the mythological aspect. I want to read you a good story about rats, because I want to show you how deeply grounded these sorts of notions are. I want to tell you a little story first before I read this. I was watching a Bugs Bunny cartoon the other day with my kids, and you're probably more or less familiar with the Bugs Bunny cartoon characters. There's a sheepdog and a wolf, and they go to work in the morning, and the sheepdog's job is to guard the sheep, and the wolf's job is to eat them, and they punch the time clock in, and then they go into their respective roles. Anyways, the sheepdog is always beating the wolf up badly, and he gets the real rough end of the stick. Now, there's one scene there. The sheepdog is sitting on a cliff watching the sheep, and it's raining, and the wolf gets a bright idea. He's going to put hair tonic on the sheepdog's head, okay? And it's raining so that the sheepdog won't notice. So he sneaks up behind the sheep, and he puts hair tonic on his head, and hair grows down over his eyes, all right? Now, so the sheepdog's sitting there, and the wolf climbs up the cliff. And the first thing he does is he has a glove on a stick. So he's hiding behind the cliff, and he puts the hand on the stick, and he waves it in front of the sheepdog's face. No response. Now, that wolf is exploring unexplored territory, and it does it cautiously. It sticks the stick on there. Nothing happens. So then the next thing it does is it just pokes its head up and goes right down, and it looks. Nothing terrible happens. So then it climbs up on top of the cliff, and it waves its hand in front of the sheepdog. It's starting to smile now. It thinks it's pretty smart. Then it's jumping up and down and so on. Okay, so it's explored the territory. It's mapped it. Originally, the unexplored territory was anxiety-provoking. The wolf underwent a whole sequence of exploratory activities, mapped the territory, safe, so then it's off to steal a sheep. Okay, that's funny. It was funny because animators are great at picking out what we do and exaggerating them, so they're comical. That's exploring unknown territory. Okay. Most of the time when behavioral psychologists teach a rat to be afraid,